one aircraft secretly changed the future of strategic bombing forever. Yet most people barely remember its name today. The Boeing B-47 Stratojet looked unlike anything that came before it. Swept wings, jet engines mounted beneath the wings, a futuristic cockpit built for the terrifying realities of Cold War nuclear warfare. But the B-47 wasn't simply another bomber. It became the foundation of modern strategic air power. And behind its sleek appearance hid one of the most important military roles of the entire Cold War era. So what exactly was the B-47 Stratojet used for? Because the answer reveals a hidden story of nuclear tension, high-risk missions, and the dangerous evolution of global air power. After World War II, the world entered a dangerous new era. Nuclear weapons transformed military strategy forever, forcing nations to rethink how future wars would be fought. The United States needed bombers capable of flying farther, faster, and higher than anything before. The result became the Boeing B-47 Stratojet. At first glance, the aircraft looked revolutionary. Its swept-wing design reflected lessons learned from advanced wartime aerodynamics, while its multiple jet engines represented the future of military aviation. The Stratojet wasn't just modern. It was decades ahead of its time. Inside the B-47 cockpit, crews operated in an environment built for speed, altitude, and survival during nuclear-era operations. Pilots trained constantly for missions that could involve long-range penetration deep into hostile territory. This wasn't ordinary flying. This was strategic deterrence at the edge of global catastrophe. Every mission carried enormous pressure because during the Cold War, bombers represented more than weapons. They represented political power itself. Cold War strategic bombers played a major role in nuclear deterrence strategy. Although famous as a strategic bomber, the B-47 performed far more than nuclear delivery operations. The aircraft also became essential for reconnaissance, intelligence gathering, electronic surveillance, and strategic readiness missions during some of the Cold War's most dangerous years. The bomber constantly operated near geopolitical flashpoints, watching, monitoring, preparing. Because military leaders feared surprise attacks could happen without warning, and the B-47 became one of America's frontline strategic responses. Some B-47 variants were modified specifically for reconnaissance and intelligence missions. So the next time you see the swept-wing silhouette of the Stratojet, remember, you're looking at one of the aircraft that quietly shaped the Cold War itself. And if you want more hidden truths about strategic bombers, classified military aviation, and Cold War aerospace secrets, subscribe now, because the next story may reveal the secret aircraft designed for missions the world was never meant to witness.